Ready?
Let's go. Okay, tonight we're going to be staying at the Delta Hotel, Toronto Airport. We're in room 1259. We stayed here before, actually, in the exact same room. On the left here, you'll have a large closet as you walk in. Ample room around the corner here. And then you walk into the main room, very spacious corner suite. You have a 2-cup coffee maker with coffee supplies, 2 bottles of water. Of course, the large flat screen TV. Beside the bed here, you'll have 2 outlets, just normal plug outlets, no USBs here, as you can see. Telephone and the light switch is right there, and then to the left here you got a huge walk-in closet. It has a light in it, and there's a ironing board and a very spacious closet indeed. Coming out of the closet, and then from this angle you can see how large the comfy king-size bed is. The large sofa which pulls out into, I believe it's a queen-size bed. Over here you got a little mini fridge or cooler. Lots of desk space, lots of drawer space, large mirror by the doors you walk in and out. This is a nice new bathroom at the Delta Hotel in Toronto Airport. I'm just noticing, look at all the amenities they gave us. Razor and shave cream, toothbrush and toothpaste, body lotion, some scope, vanity kit, shower cap, shoe mitt. I love a good shoe mitt, a mending kit, and earplugs, because we're at the airport, I guess, and makeup remover wipes. That is crazy stuff. And such a nice renovated bathroom.
Bienvenue à bord. Nous vous demandons de bien vouloir libérer l'allée et de ranger vos bagages dans les compartiments supérieurs. Concernant cet avion, veuillez en suivre avec nous les points importants. La cabine est munie de voyants concernant les ceintures et l'interdiction de fumer. Veuillez vous y conformer en tout temps.
Here we go.
Located in your assigned cabin. For our guests seated in row 4 to row 30, there are 2 washrooms available at the back of the cabin for your time.
go! We are here at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. We had a great flight on WESTJET and the Premier Economy section. Very good food, good service, nice drinks, smooth flight. Everything went really well. Looking forward to getting to the hotel and getting some shorts on. It's nice and warm out here. So we're just waiting for our lift. We're not taking Uber. Uber was like $40 odd, honey. I know, Lyft is like 23 if I do a priority one, which isn't coming in until 14 minutes. So I'm not sure what kind of priority that was. But, yeah, it's pretty busy here. It is Thanksgiving weekend here in the States, so I guess it's to be expected. But we had a great flight.
Yes.
Yeah, and good service, nice flight attendants, good seats, first row. I can't complain about that.
No?
No.
Good.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
So far so good, and the weather feels really comfortable right now. So
Yeah.
can't wait to get into the hotel and get some shorts on. Is that right? Yeah. First open. It's nice. Did a good job. And here we are. As you come in on the left, there's like a little fridge here with 2 glasses and 2 bottles of water. Chill. Nice. It's good to be home. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.